Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Ultra Advanced 3 is probably one of the most anticipated tech releases this year, and for good reason. It promises to revolutionize the way we interact with our digital world, offering unparalleled speed, intuitive features, and a sleek design that's as functional as it is beautiful. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or a casual user looking for an upgrade, the Ultra Advanced 3 aims to deliver an experience that's both powerful and accessible, setting a new benchmark for what we can expect from personal technology. Number 5. Norton 360 Deluxe, 5-Device Protection. Introducing Norton 360 Deluxe, your all-in-one solution for digital protection. It offers robust security for up to 5 devices, ensuring your online life is safeguarded. Download and install comprehensive protection for your PCs, Macs, iOS, or Android devices in just minutes. Enjoy immediate security across your digital ecosystem. Stay ahead of online threats with advanced AI-powered scam protection. It helps you identify hidden scams in emails and text messages, with an AI assistant providing guidance. Enhance your online privacy with a secure VPN. It uses bank-grade encryption to protect your personal information, ensuring a safer internet connection. We actively monitor the dark web for your personal information. Receive notifications if your data is found, helping to prevent identity theft. Experience advanced, real-time protection against existing and emerging threats like ransomware and viruses. It defends your devices without slowing them down. Safeguard your important photos and files with 50 GB of secure PC cloud backup. Protect your data from ransomware attacks and hard drive failures. What we like. This offers comprehensive digital security for multiple devices. Its AI-powered scam protection and dark web monitoring are key differentiators. If you're concerned about online threats and identity theft across your PCs, Macs, and mobile devices, this is a robust choice. What people say. The Ultra Advanced 3 has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any kitchen. Its powerful motor allows for quick and efficient blending, even with tough ingredients. The multiple speed settings and pulse function offer great versatility for various recipes. Number 4. LEIKE X Bike Ultra Quiet Folding Exercise Bike. Experience a versatile workout with our unique 2-in-1 frame. It easily converts between an upright and recumbent position, allowing you to target different muscles and maximize your exercise routine. Tailor your fitness journey with 10 levels of adjustable magnetic resistance. This feature makes it perfect for everyone, from beginners just starting out to seasoned athletes looking for a challenge. Enjoy a peaceful workout without disturbing anyone around you. Its innovative design ensures a silent cycling experience, thanks to the magnetic resistance and lack of foot trample impact. We've focused on the details for your comfort. Enjoy soft, comfortable pedals, a wide seat with a foldable backrest, and 7 levels of adjustable seat height to fit users of all sizes. Stay informed during your exercise sessions with the HD electronic display. It shows all your workout data in real time, and the integrated heart rate handrail lets you monitor your pulse effortlessly. Get started on your fitness goals quickly and easily. This bike is designed for straightforward assembly, so you can begin your workout in no time. What we like. This provides a versatile and quiet home workout experience. The ability to switch between upright and recumbent positions, along with its silent operation, makes it stand out. If you live in an apartment or need a low-impact exercise option that won't disturb others, this is ideal. What people say. The Ultra Advanced 3 has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any kitchen. Its powerful motor makes quick work of even tough ingredients, and the multiple speed settings offer great versatility. The included accessories are a nice bonus, adding even more functionality to an already impressive appliance. Number 3. Anker 67W GAN 3-port USB charger. Introducing the Anker 67W GAN charger. It's incredibly compact, making it the perfect travel companion for all your charging needs. With 3 ports, including 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A, you can power up your phone, tablet, and laptop all at the same time. Get up to 67W when charging a single device. Even when using multiple ports, it delivers a robust 65W max output. This ensures your devices charge quickly and efficiently, no matter how you connect them. Our enhanced Active Shield 2.0 system offers superior protection. Charge with confidence, knowing your devices are safe from overcharging and overheating. Inside the box, you'll find the Anker Prime 67W Gone Wall Charger, a welcome guide, and our 24-month warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This is a highly portable and powerful charging solution for all your devices. Its ability to fast charge 3 gadgets simultaneously from a single, small unit is a major advantage. If you're a traveler or someone who carries multiple electronics and needs to power them up quickly and efficiently, this charger is a must-have. What people say. The Ultra Advanced 3 has a sleek and modern design that looks great on any countertop. Its advanced features, including the multi-stage filtration system, ensure clean and healthy water. The unit is very user-friendly, with intuitive controls and easy maintenance. Number 2. Chef IQ Sense Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. Stop guessing and start cooking with confidence. This device allows you to track the time and temperature of 3 different foods simultaneously, ensuring every dish is cooked to perfection. Enjoy the freedom of unlimited wireless range. You can monitor your cooking from anywhere, allowing you to socialize with guests while still achieving a perfectly cooked meal. Achieve maximum cooking accuracy from any angle. With 4 sensors, including 3 internal and 1 ambient, you get precise temperature readings every time. Never miss a step with audible and visual reminders. Receive app notifications for real-time temperature updates, flip prompts, rest indicators, and estimated cooking times. This thermometer is always ready when you are. Get over 40 hours of cooking time from just a 10-minute charge, or even a few hours of use from a single minute of charging. Don't worry about extreme temperatures. It's safe for use in air fryers, deep fryers, grills, ovens, and more, handling temperatures up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit. Cleanup is a breeze with its waterproof and dishwasher-safe probes. Simply soak them or toss them in with your other dishes for easy maintenance. What we like. This smart thermometer offers unparalleled precision and convenience for cooking multiple dishes. The unlimited wireless range and the ability to monitor 3 foods at once are its standout features. If you're a serious home cook or grill master who wants perfect results every time without being tied to the kitchen, this is the tool for you. What people say. The Ultra Advanced 3 has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any kitchen. Its powerful motor makes blending smoothies and crushing ice a breeze. The multiple speed settings offer great versatility for different recipes. Number 1. Anker Prime 27650 mAh 250W Power Bank. Experience incredible 250W multi-device fast charging. It can power your laptop at 140W while simultaneously charging your phone and tablet. Get your 16-inch MacBook Pro to 50% in just 28 minutes. Take control of your charging with the intuitive Anker app. Monitor its status and even locate it if misplaced, all from your fingertips. With a massive 27,650 mAh capacity, it can charge your laptop multiple times or your phone over 4 times. It's the perfect compact power solution for any traveler, and it's TSA approved. Get back to full power in just 37 minutes with its 170W input. Thanks to Gone Prime technology, it's always ready for your next adventure or commute. Inside the box, you'll find the power bank, a USB-C cable, a travel pouch, and a quick start guide. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our 24-month warranty. What we like. This power bank delivers exceptional power and smart features for on-the-go charging. Its high capacity and 250W output, capable of charging a MacBook Pro rapidly, are its main selling points. If you're a frequent traveler, student, or professional who needs to keep high-power devices like laptops and multiple gadgets charged away from an outlet, this is your ultimate portable power solution. What people say. The Ultra Advanced 3 has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any kitchen. Its powerful motor makes quick work of even tough ingredients, and the multiple speed settings offer great versatility. The included accessories are a nice bonus, providing everything you need to get started right away. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.